everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with another plan with me in my Recollections Planner for the week of September 24th through the 30th. And just a quick flip through of what our plans look like last week with this lovely kit from Bella Digital Designs. Well, this week we will be using a kit as well. This one is from Etsy, and I did order it from the Cheerful Planner Girl. So I'm trying out her stickers for the first time. I'm super excited. I think that they will go perfectly with the theme. Over at my friend Lisa over on Praying and Planning, she made mention of a challenge that they were doing a coffee theme in honor of National Coffee Day, which is Saturday, September the 29th. So when I looked at this kit came last week, but when I went to look to take some pictures to put it up on Instagram, I was like, oh my goodness, that is so perfect. It's a coffee theme, because I was going to use Happy Planner stickers this week, but it goes so well with everything. So this will be the stickers that I'm using to participate with the other planner babes with the coffee theme. I also thought I'd grab about this Recollections. This is a themed date sticker book, and they have all the fun holidays in it. But I did already peep that here in September, there was a National Coffee Day for the 29th. So I'm going to grab that sticker, and I'm actually going to place it over here. And that's where we're going to start things off. I decided I also was going to use this. This is a Mambi Cheers sticker book, and it has beverages in here, and it has coffee cups, and I was going to use a combination of the hot pink ones and the light pink ones. So we're using those as well. And I just feel like I need to play off of the pink that's on the page, because I typically do not get to I've been covering it up all month, the pink on the page. So I think today we're going to kind of play off of that, and I'm just flipping through to let you guys see the month, how we covered that up week over week. The pink, we didn't let it show. Well, the sticky note spread, the first week we did let it show, but we haven't let it show since then. Now this is part of a two set washi that I got from, I'm gonna say Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and some time ago, but it has some gold, and it is also coffee themed. So I thought it would be really nice to line this up how I typically like to line this up. So we already have that down. We have our scissors here. I'm gonna grab them, and we're gonna just trim off what we don't need. Yep. And I don't think I'm gonna put top washi. I think we're just gonna use decor stickers on the top. So let's see how it goes. I think it's gonna go perfectly with our theme though. Oh my goodness, I laid this sticker down. Let me go ahead and find a home for this sticker here. Okay, so this is for Monday, and I'm gonna put it here, kind of in the middle, so we can still, gonna be traveling Monday, so it's not lots of things that I have to do, but I do have a couple of phone calls I'm going to make. So I'm going to find, and I think that I wanted to use colorful boxes, of course, but we don't really have any pink, that color pink boxes to go in here. So we're not going to use that one. I'm not sure, this is gonna sound really bad. I'm not sure where I got this from, but oh, I know where I got this from. This came out of the Mega Box, and I saw this coffee first sticker here, so I figured we could use that too. But I'm looking for like a pink box or something to layer there. But no worries, we're just gonna start doing our thing. this is technically a decorate with me versus a plan with me. I think I'm going to take these stickers and I'm going to use them in my mini and plan out my week in my mini. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this Recollections coffee plan with me. And I used stickers from the Cheerful Planner Girl and the Happy Planner sticker books. And I used the Mom Mini and Planner Basics. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video and these lovely coffee stickers, give me that thumbs up and let me know that you did so. And otherwise, guys, have a great and productive week, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao, Bella.